Good morning, class. Welcome back to our English lesson. So today we will continue our module, which is Module 5, Eating Time. So we are learning to use how much and how many correctly. Menggunakan perkataan ataupun frasa how much and how many correctly. And after that, we are going to construct questions correctly using how much and how many. Ini adalah objektif pembelajaran kita hari ini. Okey, apa maksud dia how much and how many? Okey, how much and how many mean berapa. Okey, bila kita nak bertanyakan soalan, if we want to ask question, okay, we need to use how much or how many. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu bermaksud berapa banyak. Okay, berapa banyak. But kenapa ada dua jenis soalan di sini? Kenapa satu how much? Kenapa satu how many? Okay, ini sebab dia. This is why. How much is for uncountable nouns, right? Uncountable nouns. How much bila kita nak tanyakan untuk benda yang tidak boleh dikira. You still remember what is uncountable noun? Okay. Mari teacher ingatkan. Let me tell you or revise back what is uncountable noun. Okay, examples of uncountable nouns are milk, salt, rice, yogurt, ice cream, and so on. So, those are uncountable nouns. Alright? Benda yang tidak boleh dikira. So, bila kita nak tanya berapa gula yang kamu perlukan, so we use how much, alright? We ask how much sugar do you need, alright? Sebab sugar itu benda tidak boleh dikira. Okay, lepas ini teacher akan explain lagi. Alright, for how many, we use how many for countable nouns, right? For countable nouns, benda yang boleh dikira. Okay, do you still remember what are the examples of countable nouns? Yes, for example, apple, orange, kiwi, what else? Eggs, okay, books, okay, buku, what else? Pencils, and so on, okay? Okay, how much? Berapa banyak? Remember, how much is for uncountable nouns. Benda yang tidak boleh dikira. Okay, benda yang kita tidak boleh kira. Okay, what is the example? We have milk, right? Susu. Kita tidak boleh kira susu. What else? We have sugar, right? Sugar. We cannot count sugar. We can't count sugar. And next we have rice, right? We cannot count rice. Okay, here is money, right? So we cannot count money. Kita tidak boleh kira duit. Apa yang kita boleh kira ialah nilai dia sahaja. Okay, we cannot say 1 money, 2 money. Right? That is incorrect. Incorrect. Tidak betul. Okay? Ingat please remember, money we cannot count. Right? We can't count money. But what we can count is the value. Alright? Nilai dia saja boleh dikira. Okay. If we want to ask question, sekiranya kita nak bertanyakan soalan, okay, for example, milk, we can say, how much milk do you drink? Okay, we use the words how much. How much milk do you drink? Okay, how much adalah untuk kita bertanyakan soalan. So remember that it will be a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, how much milk do you drink? Okay, berapa banyak susu yang kamu minum? Okay, susu untuk diminum. Okay, how much milk do you drink? Okay, for the second picture, okay, again, we use how much. Okay, why do we use how much? Because we can't count sugar. Okay, kita tidak boleh kira gula. So we use how much sugar do you need? Berapa banyak gula yang kamu perlu? Right? How much sugar do you need? Okay, next. How much rice do you eat? Okay, how much rice do you eat? Nasi, How much rice? Nasi kita makan kan? So we use the word eat. Bukan minum nasi, tapi makan nasi. So how much rice do you eat? Okay? Okay, next. Like what teacher said just now, we cannot count money. So we need to use how much money do you spend? Spend means belanja. Okay? Berapa banyak duit yang kamu belanja? How much money do you spend? Okay? So, how much untuk benda yang tidak boleh dikira. Okay? Benda yang tidak dimasukkan dalam bekas. Okay? Benda yang tidak boleh dikira. For example, milk, sugar, rice, and money. So, all this we use how much. Okay? Tidak boleh guna how many, That is incorrect. Right? That is incorrect. That is wrong. We cannot say how many milk. That is wrong. Milk tidak boleh dikira. So, we mesti menggunakan perkataan yang betul, which is much. How much? Okay, next is how many. How many is for countable nouns. Benda yang boleh dikira. Okay, for example, apple, eggs, chocolate. Okay, gambar ini menunjukkan bar. Bila coklat dalam bentuk ini, kita bagi dia satu bekas. Okay, dia ada satu bentuk macam ni, kita pakai bar. Right? Nanti kita akan jelaskan lagi. Okay, next, orange juice. Tapi orange juice ini dia dalam bekas. The orange juice is in a container, so it can be counted. Next is minute, right, or hours. Okay, don't worry, we will look at the examples. For example, number 1, how many apples in the fridge? We can count apple, alright? Kita boleh kira buah apple. So we use the word many. How many apples in the fridge? Berapa banyak biji buah apple dalam peti sejuk? Right? How many apples in the fridge? Okay, ini sangat senang. This is very easy. Next, we have eggs. We can count eggs. So, how many eggs in the basket? Okay, again, don't forget, it is a question. We need to put a question mark here, right? How many eggs in the basket? Berapa banyak telur dalam bako, right? In the basket. Okay, this one. Chocolate. Okay. Like what I say, kalau coklat tu dia dalam bentuk bar, okay, dalam bentuk macam ini, memanjang, dia boleh dikira. Okay, dalam bentuk ini dia boleh dikira. So, how many bars? Bars maksudnya bentuk macam ni ya. Okay, bentuk ni kita panggil bars. So, how many bars of chocolate do you eat? Okay. How many bars of chocolate do you eat? Okay, sekiranya coklat itu dia tidak bukan dalam bentuk ini, maka kita tidak boleh kira. Tapi dalam gambar ini, coklat itu dalam bentuk bar. Jadi kita boleh kira. So we use how many bars of chocolate do you eat? Okay, ingat ikut bentuk dia. Kalau dia dalam bentuk bar, boleh dikira. So, we use how many. Okay, next. Sama juga. Okay, let's look at this orange juice. Dalam kotak ini, kandungan dia orange juice. Tapi dia dalam bekas. Okay, the orange juice is in a container. Sekiranya dalam bekas, okay, minuman tu dalam bekas, benda itu boleh dikira. So, it is in cartons. Okay? Okay, dalam bekas ini, nama dia cartons. So, we can say, how many cartons of orange juice do you buy? Berapa banyak kotak orange juice yang kamu beli? Okay, sebab sini cartons ialah kotak. So, how many cartons? Maksudnya dia dalam bekas. Okay, bekas apa? Bekas orange juice. Okay, bila orange juice tu dalam sesuatu bekas, kita boleh kira. So, how many cartons of orange juice do you buy? Okay. Okay, next. Hour, jam. Alright, kita boleh kira jam. We can count hour. 1 hour, 3 hours, 2.5 hours. Okay, kita boleh kira. So, how many? We use how many. How many hours do you sleep? Berapa banyak jam yang kamu tidur? Okay, berapa banyak jam? How many hours do you sleep? Okay, ingat kita boleh kira jam. Sama juga kita boleh kira minute. Okay, minute. We can say, how many minutes do you need to do your homework? How many minutes? Okay, how many hours? We use how many. Okay, class? Okay. Now, let us practice together before you do your exercise. Okay, so we have 12 questions. Number 1, how milk in the fridge? Milk. Okay, kalau tengok ayat ini, milk, dia cuma ada perkataan milk kan? Dia tiada perkataan a glass kah, ataupun cup. Dia cuma ada perkataan milk saja, susu saja. Dia bukan susu. Tiada dalam bekas. Okay, bukan dalam bekas. So, can we count milk? No, we cannot count milk. So, the answer is how much or how many? It is how much. Alright, because we cannot count milk. Milk is uncountable nouns. Okay, how much milk in the fridge? Okay, number 2, how water do you drink? Water. Okay, water. Air. Okay, so air tidak boleh dikira. How much water do you drink? Number 3, how oranges do you buy? How oranges do you buy? Oranges, buah orange. Boleh kita kira buah orange? Yes, we can count orange. So, we use how many oranges do you buy? Okay, question number 4. How bottles of Coke do you drink? Coke, Coca-Cola. How bottles of Coke do you drink? Okay, dalam ayat ini, dia guna bekas botol, right? So, kalau minuman tu dalam bekas botol, kita boleh kira. We count bottles. So, we use how much or how many? What is your answer? The answer is how many bottles of Coke do you drink? Okay, sebab minuman cola ini dia dalam bekas botol. Alright, bottles. Number 5, how minutes do you exercise? Do you still remember? Kalau minutes, kalau jam, boleh kita kira? Boleh. So, we say, how many minutes do you exercise? Okay, next. How money? Okay, duit. How money do you spend? Duit. Duit ini boleh kita kira tak? Boleh kita cakap 1.5 duit? No. So, cannot be counted. Tidak boleh dikira. Sekiranya tidak boleh dikira, we use how much. Right? How much. Okay, next question. How packets of salt do you buy? Packet of salt. Salt, garam. Garam dalam paket. Kalau garam dalam paket, boleh dikira tak? Yes, we can count them. So, the answer is how many? Okay, number 8. How meals do you take every day? Meals di sini bermaksud makanan. Contohnya sarapan pagi, tengah hari, makan tengah hari, dinner, dessert, snack, and all that. Right? So, boleh dikira. Okay? So, we use how many meals do you take every day? Number 9. Vegetables. How vegetables do you eat? Vegetables, sayur-sayuran. Can you count vegetables? No, we can't count vegetables. So, we use how much vegetable do you eat? Okay, number 10. How students in your class? Students, murid. Boleh kita kira murid? Yes. So, we use how many students in your class? How many students in your class? Okay, question 11. How books do you read? Books, buku. We can count books. So the answer is how many books do you read? Okay, last question. How carrots do you need for your salad? Carrots. Can we count carrot? Yes, we can count carrots. So the answer is how many carrots do you need for your salad? How many carrots do you need for your salad? Okay, I hope everyone is clear now. Okay, teacher harap semua orang dapat faham sekarang dengan latihan-latihan ataupun contoh-contoh yang teacher tunjukkan. So, next, okay, try it yourself. Okay, there are 2 exercises, exercise A and exercise B. For exercise A, complete the questions using the correct option from above. Okay, ada perkataan how many and how much. So, pilih mana satu jawapan dia. Okay, we have 10 questions here. Fill in the blank. Okay, isikan tempat kosong. Apa jawapan dia? Contohnya number 1, students are there in your classroom. Student, murid. Murid boleh dikirakan. Jadi apa jawapan dia? How much student atau how many student? Okay, mana satu jawapan dia? Pilih dan tulis di sini. Okay, baca soalan dengan teliti. Baca dan fahamkan. Alright, read and understand the question. Okay, next exercise B. Construct questions correctly using the table below. Bina soalan menggunakan jadual di bawah dengan betul. Okay, ini adalah jadual dia. Okay, ada contoh di sini. How much milk do you drink every day? Okay, how much? Contoh how much? Okay, mana satu yang betul pasangannya? Okay, how much untuk benda yang tidak boleh dikira. So, how much milk? Okay, milk ialah susu. Jadi, guna how much milk do you? Okay, apa kita buat dengan susu? Makan, minum, tidur, ataupun bersenam. Mestilah kita minum susu kan? So, how much milk do you drink every day? Okay, dah buat ayat tu, tulis dekat sini. Okay, teacher bagi contoh lagi ya. Lemonade. Lemonade adalah jus lemon. Right, jus lemon. So, boleh kita kira jus lemon tak? Tidak, boleh. So, kita guna how much. So, how much lemonade? Okay, lemonade adalah sejenis minuman. Do you? Okay, kalau minuman kita buat apa? Drink kan? Minum. So, how much lemonade do you drink every day? Okay? Lepas tu kamu tulis di sini. Okay, kelas? Boleh ya? Okay, boleh faham ya? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, kamu boleh buat 6 ayat di sini. Kalau ada lebih tu, kamu boleh buat di sini. Okay? So, that's all for today. Stay safe, happy learning, and bye.